Welcome back, my fellow inmates. My name is Dutch. And on today's episode, we're going to be talking about the ATH steel hookah. Well, here you have it, folks. The ATH steel hookah, also known as the lounge stainless steel hookah. So it's broken down into a few parts right here, which we're gonna go ahead and put together as quick as possible. We're gonna start here with the upper stem. This upper stem is made out of stainless steel, has a built-in purge valve, which if you look at the bottom, you'll see the little ball right here. I don't know if you can see it. Let's use this. If you want to take out the ball or exchange the ball, you can loosen this up and unscrew it and take out the ball. So we're going to start with the upper stem and lower stem, of course. Screw that in together. Then we're going to go ahead and take the diffuser and screw it to the down stem. So you can use the diffuser if you like. If you don't want your hookah to be making too much noise, you always use a diffuser. If you like the rumbling, you take off the diffuser. Very simple. We're gonna take this beautiful base, and then we're gonna put this whole stem in here. And we're gonna go ahead and screw it in. Voila. This base, the base is crystal glass base. The model of this base is called Firuze. It's Turkish for turquoise, and that's the color of the base. Now, the stem is actually a Dora stem. It's the model Dora, and that's the shape of the stem. Now we're gonna take the ashtray or cold tray, however you want to call it, and we're gonna put it on top as so, and we're gonna screw on. That is all perfectly inserted. Now, of course, all of this is stainless steel. Next, we're gonna go with the hose. This is the only part that's aluminum, and this actually goes into this soft touch silicone. Let's go ahead and screw this in there. Perfect. We're gonna go ahead and put this part, I'm gonna just turn it around so you can see right here. So we're gonna insert it right in here. And then we're gonna go ahead and show off the hookah. Isn't she beautiful? Now, I'm telling you, this is amazing hookah. Perfect lounge hookah is what they call it. It's very nice and smooth, and I can't wait to go ahead and try it. So let's go ahead and pack a bowl and try out this amazing hookah. Okay, so we're gonna start doing the packing part of this. Today's mix is gonna be actually an island mix, nice and fruity island, because I grew up in an island, so I love nice fruity flavors. That reminds me of the islands. We're gonna use Adalya, and we can use 40% of Blue Dragon fruit. And the reason why we go with 40 is because it's a very strong, minty, icy flavor. So that's why we go with 40%. 60% we're gonna go with one of my favorites. Hawaii is actually pineapple and mango. Of course, with a hint of mint. Today's bowl that we're using is also from ATH. It's a Egyptian style bowl. This clay is actually made from Germany. It's a fire German clay. Let's go ahead and start packing this bowl. right, folks, so the hookah is ready, I believe. We put 3 coals on top of there. It's heating up, so I think it should be ready. Had it heating up for like about 5 to 6 minutes. Now the coals that we're using also is from Adalya. We're using these Hookah Adalya coals. They're natural coconut coals. 72 pieces in there. Perfect coals. Now, let's go ahead and test out this little hookah. See if it performs amazing with these flavors. Woo. Smooth. Nice and smooth. I'm telling you. Love it. Look at those clouds. In the streets, we call that the hookah's bussin'. So this hookah's really bussin'. I really love it. Now check out the purge. Nice. I really love this hookah. So, as we mentioned before, this is a perfect lounge hookah. The style of it is very, very sexy. I believe every time I use it, they're always asking me, wow, I love the design of the hookah. It's a very sleek, nice, curvy design. I should give it a name, right? I don't even know what name would I put, but she is amazing. I gotta tell it. She is amazing. So, been using it for already like 2 months now. Tried it out, no problems at all. People told me, what about the purge? I mean, what happens if the ball gets stuck in there? Like I said, in the bottom, you can unscrew it, take out the ball, replace it if you want. But it hasn't given me any type of problems. I've taken it, you know, to different places to smoke. I've done little IG stories on that. So I love this hookah. So, hope you guys enjoyed this quick video of the first look of the ATH L Steel Hookah, the perfect lounge hookah. I want to give a big shout out to Adalya sending us these amazing products. You can look them up. They have amazing hookahs, beautiful designs. This is not the only one. There's many designs out there for you to like take a look at, and maybe you might find one that you really like. These are very nice, exotic hookahs. Well, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, do not forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel. And forget to hit that little bell on the top so you can be notified for any new videos coming out in the near future. If you guys already tried out these products, just let us know below what you think about them, or if you have a favorite flavor that you have, a little mixture of the Adalya. Until the next time, my name is Dutch, it's DMZ TV, and we are